Remember that it is as much about the political showdown, the probe, but also how deep the rot possibly is. Because at this point, Bihar, for example, where the first case that had unraveled and all that was associated with it, the Bihar EOU on Sunday handed over the NEET UG case to the CBI. CBI is now thoroughly investigating the allegations of irregularities in the medical entrance exam in Bihar specifically. Bihar's Economic Offences Unit has released details provided by the NTA on storage, transportation and handover of the question papers of the undergraduate course. The unit has pointed out a loophole about the handling system of the question paper. The primary investigation for now reveals that the packing of the question paper was suspicious. The booklet box was found to be tampered with. Sources have also told India Today that Hazaribagh Oasis School is allegedly involved in the paper leak, and that is being probed further about the extent of what precisely happened. The CBI team was also investigating the lapses in Nawara and Bihar that was even attacked, remember, by the residents on Sunday when the team arrived to investigate in this case. So there is clearly more than what seems to be on the surface. Are there gangs involved? Is there a full-fledged system underneath that is trying to leak these papers and trying to play with the future of the country, literally? Take a look at this report.
The NEET paper leak scam in Bihar continues to unravel, with State Chief Minister Nitish Kumar remains tight-lipped.
The NEET paper leak mein, sir.
Authorities are now investigating a Jharkhand connection in the NEET paper leak. The chairman and principal of Oasis School in Hazaribagh are under scrutiny. Police believe the paper may have been leaked from this institution. So far, the EOU has arrested 13 individuals in Patna related to the paper leak case and 6 more from a house near AIIMS in Deoghar, Jharkhand. This as the hunt for mastermind Sanjeev Mukhia continues. Mukhia allegedly accommodated nearly 25 candidates at a boys' hostel associated with the Learn Play School in Patna on May 4th, a day before the NEET exam, providing them with leaked question papers and answer keys.
वो हमको 4 लड़का का बात किया था और गते-गते 20 के संख्या में लड़का 20-25 के संख्या में लड़का सवेरे होते-होते चला आया.
India Today traced Ashutosh, the renter of Learn Play School, who fled after discovering the paper leak.
रात में 5-7 लड़के आए थे. हम 11 बजे रात को ऊपर सोने के लिए चल गए थे. सुबह उठे तो देखे कि सब मिला करके ये लोग का सब मनीष और लोग मिला करके हमको लगता है 15 के करीब या 15 से प्लस में होंगे. 10 बजे तक लोग सब बैठा हुआ था. 10 बजे के बाद एक्टिविटी चेंज लोग को हुआ. तो मनीष के हाथ में पेपर फोटो कॉपी देके वो लोग को.
Meanwhile, the political landscape remains turbulent, with the BJP and RJD trading barbs over the issue.
इस सरकार में गंभीरता का घोर अभाव है. ये एनटीए में फ्रॉड है. मैं बार-बार कह रहा हूं, इस फ्रॉड को फेंकने की जरूरत है.
As the investigation progresses, Bihar has emerged as the epicenter of NEET paper leak. Bureau Report, India Today.